Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate National Coming Out Day theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram, and you need to update Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open and click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation and click on person name on the top. From here you need to click on theme, and here you can see National Coming Out Day. Click on that, and now you can see that this theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.